Now to the latest in the Breonna Taylor case. A Kentucky judge may have decided to release recordings from the secret grand jury hearing today, but this morning the Attorney General requested a delay.
This as protests continue demanding justice for the 26-year-old EMT fatally shot by police in March. Here's ABC's Rena Roy.
Protesters and the family of Breonna Taylor may get some of the answers they've been searching for after a grand jury decided to not charge any officers with Taylor's killing.
So I think America and Ms. Palmer deserve to know what actually did the grand jury have the ability to decide. I definitely think it's a big step towards justice. It's toward truth finding.
Both sides in the high-profile case are set to file grand jury documents and recordings, but today Attorney General Daniel Cameron requested a week extension to provide those recordings and documents in hopes of redacting names, according to the motion he filed obtained by ABC affiliate WHAS. Cameron is under fire after only one officer involved was indicted, but not for Taylor's death. Former officer Brett Hankison was charged with 3 counts of wanton endangerment for firing into a neighbor's apartment. Cameron responded to critics in an interview with WDRB, saying he did not recommend murder or any lesser charges to the grand jury in her death for the 2 other officers involved in the botched raid.
They're an independent body. If they wanted to make an assessment about different charges, they could have done that.
But legal experts say that is rare. It's the prosecutor who decides what goes before jurors and can recommend what charges should be brought.
The prosecutor controls everything. They control the information that's presented. They control the witnesses that are presented to the grand jury.
Meantime, a grand juror on the case now filing a lawsuit in part to be allowed to speak publicly about the proceedings. The unnamed juror through an attorney saying Cameron misrepresented the deliberations.
They're now acknowledging that they only recommended the wanton endangerment charges towards Detective Hankison. What they're not telling you in that release, which is still a question, is what was actually presented to them.
The family's attorney is now requesting an independent special prosecutor be appointed to this case. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.